Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Lincoln MKX key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side of the key fob. This button is usually quite small and flush with the casing. Gently slide this button to release the emergency key. Once released, carefully pull the emergency key completely out of its slot. This step is crucial as it reveals the access point for opening the fob's casing. Take your time to ensure the key slides out smoothly. Now that the emergency key is out, look inside the opening where the key was. You'll notice a small notch or indentation. This is your leverage point. Take a thin, flat tool, like a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic prying tool, and carefully insert it into this notch. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, separate the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the internal components or the casing. Once the fob is open, you'll see the coin cell battery. Before removing it, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This ensures you install the new battery correctly. Gently pry out the old battery. Most Lincoln MKX key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This is vital for proper function. To reassemble your key fob, carefully align the two halves. Make sure all the internal components are properly seated before pressing them together. Gently squeeze the halves until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks into place. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. For more great deals and to check out the smart speaker mentioned, please see the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.